Hey everybody, Chris here. So, could we see $5,000 Doge stimulus checks, and would it be paid in Dogecoin? We're going to talk about that in this video. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that little notification bell too. You can be notified when my new videos come out, as well as when I do live streams, and I'll be live again Thursday afternoon. And we're hoping to see a SpaceX Starship test launch number 8 live. So we will be showing that, as well as Dogecoin giveaways, and then day 2 of the Robinhood giveaways as well. I'll give you a little bit more information about that in just a little bit. But overall, the Doge, yes, Department of Government Efficiency, led by one Elon Musk, finding waste, fraud, and abuse in the US government. Billions of dollars are being found, cutting the budget. But will you see savings coming back to you in the form of a stimulus check, perhaps? Let's get into it. Let me show you the charts in the news. I'll show you what I'm looking at. We start here looking at the current Dogecoin chart. Dogecoin trading right under 21 cents. We had a nice big run last night. A lot of information coming out about Friday's US Crypto Summit. So everything was up. We had Bitcoin coming up to about $92,800. But then there was some profit taking. And then this morning, we have some weakness in the markets. Yes, the U.S. stock market before open, that's pre-market, we have a lot of negativity there. So it's pulling the crypto market down. We'll see once the stock starts trading at 9:30, we'll have a little volatility, and then things will settle. Most likely, that's what we're going to see. But we did have yesterday Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin spike amid high hopes from White House Crypto Summit. So there is a lot of anticipation for what's going to happen. Typically when these big things happen, we can see the market dip before that, and then we see it rip. Sometimes it's buy the rumor, sell the news. We'll see how that plays out through the day. And again, during the live stream on Thursday afternoon, we will be checking in on how the trading goes during the day. But right now, here I am pre-market. Again, stock market hasn't opened yet while I am recording this. Stagflation. Could we see stagflation going on? We do see negative S&P futures, Dow futures, NASDAQ futures, Russell. All of that is in the red as I'm recording this. So that is pulling the crypto market down. However, the crypto world hopes a Trump summit Friday will deliver more of what it wants. And there is a lot of anticipation that. So we will talk more about that during the live stream. Right now, though, we want to concentrate more on the immediate what's going on. Of course, during the live stream, too, we are going to see day 2 of this Robinhood trivia giveaways. Of course, we were all saying yesterday it was rigged. Rigged. It's like, how can you be giving away Bitcoin, right? Crypto, and the trivia questions that you're asking aren't all about crypto. This is with stock trivia. Oh, well, we didn't win on day 1, but how about day 2? You got to be a Robinhood Gold member, and there is a lot of interesting about Dogecoin. And that is Dogecoin going to be given as rewards as well as part of the day 2 giveaway. So we're going to be looking at that too, because I cover everything Dogecoin, and Doge is here. So it looks like the contest for gold members, that's day 2, will offer another $1 million in Bitcoin prizes with additional undisclosed Dogecoin rewards for all participants. Kind of interesting. We'll see what that is. Again, that'll be during the live stream. We're going to do that live before the SpaceX launch. That's what's going on. Overall, Trader Allen saying, look, in Bitcoin, we've seen these patterns before, looking at the 4-year cycles, and here we are again. We are here in 2025, very similar to 2021, very similar to 2017. Could we see that next big run up? The patterns do signal what is coming ahead. And our friend Ali, again, on another, this is a 4-day chart. I don't know who does 4-day charts, right? But Ali does this because he gets his TD sequential indicator flashing a buy signal. He checks all these charts, and as soon as there's one of those, he posts it. I'll take a buy signal on Doge, though. Dogecoin. And who's going to be wanting to buy Doge? Well, We do have a lot of new wallet addresses. That's right. Dogecoin now has a record number of individual Dogecoin wallet addresses, over 83.48 million wallet addresses, an all-time high. That shows increasing user adoption and market activity. We're consolidating below key resistance levels. Bulls aim to break above 21.2 cents for the potential rally coming up to 23.5. That is sort of the immediate moves that we were looking at. And Trader Allen says, look, I mean, last night he was at this point, right, at this juncture on a 1-hour chart. Would there be a breakout or not? And we did indeed get a breakout. And now we're coming back to retest. So we're following that green pattern here. Had the little breakout, come back, retest, and then move higher. And again, on the bigger picture, again, looking back at the 4-year cycles with Doge, we've seen these average directional index indicates a potential surge ahead. Get 2017 up into the green zone. 2021 up into the green zone. 2025, we are not there yet. We are not there yet. I'm still bullish on Dogecoin. But what about this? $5,000 Dogecoin stimulus checks. Could you really get that? Rumors of the $5,000 Doge dividend have sparked widespread interest. Is it real? The proposed payout, backed by Elon Musk and President Donald Trump, would come from government efficiency savings. With only $55 billion saved so far, though, well, it's a $1 trillion goal that they're looking. The $2 trillion is a bigger thing. Feasibility remains questionable. Experts warn of inflation risks, legislative hurdles, making the payout uncertain. But what could this really be about? And $5,000 for each American or each American family. Many Americans wonder whether this financial windfall is real, how it would be funded, what hurdles it must overcome. But the proposal is gaining attention. Is it feasible? So, the $5,000 Doge dividend proposal, ambitious. It has influential supporters. So, the proposal name is the Doge dividend. Proposed amount, $5,000 per tax-paying household, is what they are proposing. The funding source, 20% of the savings from the Department of Government Efficiency, or Doge. So, I think this 55 billion number is actually a little higher right now in terms of savings of what they have currently saved. And we can go to the debt clock, right? Isn't there a debt clock? We can just go to that now. Debt clock. And let's see what happens when we go to the national debt clock in real time. And it will tell us. Yeah, they're saying 169 billion. 169 billion on the Doge debt clock. That's how much they think Doge has saved now. That's $1,500 savings per taxpayer, which means if we do about a little bit less than a 4x from here, we would get to that $1 trillion savings, and that would be the $5,000 per taxpayer. That's where it all comes from. So Donald Trump, Elon Musk, proposal under consideration. There's a bill being drafted in progress. That would have to come from Congress. There's inflation concerns, potential risks similar to previous stimulus measures. But that's where this Doge dividend comes from. Championed by investor James Fishback, gained traction thanks to Elon Musk, both of whom advocate to reduce government waste. The plan suggests that if Doge successfully cuts $1 trillion, some portion of those savings would be redistributed, translating to $5,000 per eligible household. So, we just saw 169 billion, not 55. That's how much the debt clock is tracking right now. Many economists are skeptical about the feasibility of the proposal. A sudden influx of cash into the economy without increased productivity could push up prices, reducing the real value of those payments. We saw that obviously with COVID. That's what we saw before. Supporters argue that returning savings to taxpayers is a fair and effective way to boost the economy. Opponents suggest the money would be better off used for national debt reduction or public investment. But if you think about it, I mean, public opinion is mixed. Proponents see it as a deserved return of taxpayer money. Our taxpayer money. We paid those taxes, and the government has wasted it. So we should see some of that back. We did have stimulus checks, COVID-19 relief in 2020, and then the American Rescue Plan in 2021, which continued the support. This Doge dividend, government efficiency savings. So why not us? It's our taxpayer money that got wasted over the past 4 years. Let's see some of that back. Dogecoin's price has surged 15% following early discussions of the proposal. So could Dogecoin actually be used to pay that out? That would be interesting as well, how that all worked with Dogecoin. I kind of doubt that. I think that would be more about just distributing checks or direct deposit money based on the IRS. But we'll see how all that plays out. It's still kind of interesting to talk about on where are all the savings, where's all this going to go. But if the Doge dividend is not passed, there could be other relief measures, targeted tax cuts. Hey, how about no capital gains tax on crypto? We would like that. Debt reduction programs, using savings to lower the national debt. I guess that helps for the future. Infrastructure investment, allocating funds to job-creating public projects. We've seen that before. Infrastructure projects are good, get people working. If the money is actually used for those projects, which we saw over the last 4 years, there was this big infrastructure bill and all of this money going out to these programs, and then nothing happened. But Doge would follow that. That's the Department of Government Efficiency. So that's what's going on with the Doge dividend. It'll be interesting to watch how this goes forward. Stay tuned to the Chris Pex channel. We will keep you up to date on that. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about the Doge dividend check. And if you got it, what would you do with it? Would you just buy more Dogecoin? That's probably what a lot of us would do. Give the video a like. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.